Assalie, what you doing, Asa? Oh. Your friends come to see you. Assalie. Oh. He's disappearing. Oh. Aha. He can't get you in the bed, can he? Unless... Okay, do you want me to help you up? There we go. Oh, 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 oh. There we go. Ha ha. What do you think now? What? Hmm? What do you think, Asa? Now you're really in trouble. Yes. Lucky. Lucky, Lucky, what you doing, honey? Eh? Gertie, get out of the garbage. Assalie, come here, sweetie. Aw, Gertie's giving kisses. Ashley's not in the mood to be playing much. What you looking for, Gert? Oh. You're gonna fall off. Oh, Lucky, Lucky, Lucky. Lucky, Lucky, Lucky. Silly boy. He's a silly boy. You like my guest bed, don't you? Your mommy's thinking about you, Lucky. Yeah, she misses you. You just keep thinking about Ashley, don't you? Okay, I think it's time to go to sleep now, okay? You're going downstairs to sleep. Yep. Come on, Asa. Come here, sweetie. Good night, Lucky. Good night, Asa. Gerta Magerte. Good night.